Hold on, big chin, I need every two. Respect. All them going like one appear of weird.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to be making videos again. I miss you so much. And I got my hair up because it's hot in here, and with these lights I'm gonna be boiling. But today I'm gonna be talking about the August BoxyCharm that I just received in the mail. I did a look in Instagram and I was like, you know what, why don't record a look here in my channel. And some of these items worked for me and some of them did not work for me. For starters, I'm going to be showing you the little booklet that came with it. This is Life of the Party. Yeah, I already know it tells you everything that we have in here. So for starters, the first thing I got was the Smashbox sort of lip product in the shade Action. It looks like this. And this retails for $24. Now this shade, it is fun, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work for me. I mean, I'm gonna try it, but that's what it looks like. I don't know, but I mean, for a fun look and for a fun day, why not, you know? I also received this Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner, and it looks like this, and that's the color. I already tried it. Something like that. I'm gonna try this on my eyebrows, see how I like it. I also received these House of Lashes, and these are Serene. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I also got these, and these look absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna put these on the look, and I'm so excited for this. And this retails for $13, and it says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These go for you on the eye mask, brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. So I'm so forward to be using these. The next thing I got was this Addison, I might be butchering the name, Addison Organic Infused Age Defining Nail Treatment Essentials. And I'm gonna put this on right now. You know why? Because my nails, I took my nails off and I have not got my nails done, and I'm in a need of some of this cuticle, what is it called? It's like a cuticle treatment. Oh, that feels really good. Smells really good. And this retail for $18. And this is how the packaging looks. I'm gonna add some to the other side of my nails. I like it. And the last thing I got was this palette right here by Laura Lee, Los Angeles, the Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. I'm really digging these colors right here. They're really pretty. But as y'all know, I'm a neutral type of girl, so I don't know. I mean, maybe for a fun look, but not for everyday look. But I mean, I tried this palette already, and I have my pros and cons. It has fallout, and some of the colors are really hard to blend, especially Hangover. This color right here, it was really hard for me to blend. So I mean, besides that, they have a lot of pigmentation, and it comes with two glitter colors. Like Bottom Up has glitter and Hangover has a bit of glitter, and these over here are matte. So we got Darks, we got Easy Party, Damage Control, and Karaoke. Karaoke is so beautiful. It is so intense. You can see that color right there. Then you got Damage Control. That's that. And this is Easy Party. That is so pretty. Then you got Darks, Bottoms Up. This is such a pretty pink. I don't know. It's showing in camera purple, but it's not purple. It's pink. And then you got Hangover. Hangover, it is really intense, but I don't know what it is. It just, I don't know, it just doesn't blend good. So these are the colors right here. I hope you can see the swatches. So I'm going to be making a look with this palette today, and I really don't know what I'm going to do, but we're going to go along with it. But the first thing I want to try are these Wonder Beauty eye masks. I've been wanting to try this eye mask since I got the box, but I wanted to try it with you and tell you exactly how I feel about it. I really enjoy the smell. It smells really, really good. It's like a fresh type of scent. I don't know. It just smells really, really good. And I'm glad that we got 2 extra ones because, I mean, you know, you want to keep trying and keep trying. Because one try is not going to tell you if, you know, if it really works or not. So I'm glad they gave us 2 more. So I'm going to leave this on for a little while. Okay, while I have this on soaking under my eyes and it's feeling really, really good, I'm going to prime my lid. And for that, I'm just using this Vitalize Healthy Concealer by CoverGirl. I'm gonna take a little bit of powder and just set them. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this brush by Milani, and I'm just gonna be using this small rounded part of the brush. So the first shade I'm gonna take is this shade right here, and this is this bright orange. And in camera is not showing as bright as it is, but it's really, really bright. And this is in Dranks, yeah. So I'm gonna take this as my transition color, and I'm gonna put this all in my crease. And I'm gonna bring it a little bit higher on my crease because, as you know, I have hooded eyes. So if I don't put it just a bit higher, you won't see the color. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna raise it up just a bit. And I'm gonna go in slightly with this color because this color, it is very pigmented. And I have to be really careful because when it comes to colors like this, I mean, you know, it's a little scary. Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe rounded brush, and I'm going to take bottoms up, and I'm going to bring this a bit down the crease. I'm just going to bring it a little bit down here, and I'm going to do the same thing, windshield motions back and forth. Okay, now I'm going to go with this shade right here, Damage Control, and I'm going to put this in the outer V and the inner V of my eye. First, I'm going to focus it in the outer V.
I can show you every sick position. Woo! You on my mind. Fuck around and turn that water into wine.
I'm going to take a bit of concealer. I'm going to put it in the back of my hand. And I'm going to go in with this flat brush by Morphe. And I'm just going to make a little hollow effect right here. Right in the middle. I'm just going to focus that right in the middle. Okay, now we're going to take this shade right here. It's called Ease a Party. And this is like a yellow-green type of color. I don't know how to explain it. It's like a yellow-green color. So we're going to take this color. And we're going to place that right in the middle where we applied the concealer. It's looking a bit patchy because these shadows are really, really, really hard to blend. I don't know if you see it right there. Like, I add the color right there, but it's kind of fading away right there. And I added a good amount. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why. It's just looking really patchy. It's not looking good. Ugh. You know what? We're gonna make it work. Just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'm gonna get back with you. So I just applied the lashes, and as you can see, look at this. You can see all that patchiness, like over here and over here, like you see right there. Like, I tried to blend it as much as I could, but it wasn't going anywhere. So we're just gonna keep going with the look. I'm gonna take these off, and ooh, this feels really, really nice under my eyes. Wow, I really like the way this feels. And these lashes are so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to finish my face and I'm going to get right back with y'all. So yeah guys, sorry, I had a little difficulty with my SIM card. In the middle of me recording, my camera shut off because of the battery as usual. And then when I tried to put it back on, my SIM card kept saying that it was full. But it was because I wasn't deleting it from the trash. So it took me a while. So I was doing this eyebrow and then I started this one. But I noticed, as you see, it's not my shade because my hair is black. Like, it doesn't look bad. But it's just, you know, it doesn't work for me because my hair is black. It's not bad at all. I wish, you know, they would have sent at least something that, you know, will match with everybody. I don't know, maybe like taupe or something like that. Usually those colors match, you know, with everyone. So I'm going to take the palette again, and I'm going to take the shade Hangover, just a little bit like that. And I'm just going to bring in the bottom of my eye, right on my waterline. This color is so pretty. I wish they could just blend so good, because these colors are extremely pigmented and they are really, really pretty. But they are really extremely hard to blend. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of mascara. So I added some highlight on my tear duct, and I went with Blossom Glow by Wet n Wild. So everything that I applied on my face, I'm going to link it below, so in case you're interested. But I'm going to go in with a lip liner, and this is by NYX, and this is the Nude Truffle. This is my go-to liner. So let's see. I'm so scared. See that color? Shh. That is bright. Oh hell no. So this is the color that they gave me on my BoxyCharm. This does not work for me. Like, what the heck is this? Like, I'm never gonna wear this. And you know what? Actually, when you see it in person, it doesn't look as white as it looks in camera. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, guys, this is the look that I came up with using August BoxyCharm. As usual, I'm always honest with ya, and I'm gonna be really honest. I really enjoy these right here, and I'm looking forward of using the other two that I received. It was really cooling. It felt really nice under my eyes, but you wouldn't know until you keep using it and using it. But this lipstick right here, it is a beautiful lipstick, but it didn't look good on me. I guess this shade just didn't work for me. You know, sometimes things work, sometimes things do not work. And I'm gonna be honest about this palette right here. This palette, it is well made. I love the way they made it. I love the fact that it has a really nice mirror. These colors right here are absolutely gorgeous. They're so pigmented, but it was really hard to blend, and they were extremely patchy. I tried to blend as much as I could, and this is what I came up with. I'm not really happy with the look, but I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes things are good and sometimes things are bad, and it just didn't work out. I just don't like the fact that I just can't blend it. It was just really hard to blend. And this pomade right here, this is really good if you have brown hair and blonde hair. Obviously, I have black hair, so it's not gonna work for me. It's not gonna work for everybody. I really wish they would have put like something with like a taupey color to match everyone, but it's okay. I mean, it's a really good product, that I could say. And this age defining nail treatment essential, this is really good, and God knows I need this right now. So what else we got? We got that, and these lashes. These lashes are really beautiful. I have them on right now. So yeah, guys, that is my final thought of everything that I received on my August BoxyCharm. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And as usual, give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you could be notified every time I post a video. As I mentioned before, when you don't press the little bell, you will not get my notifications. So I could put 10 videos and you will not get them. So yeah, guys, I see you in my next video. Bye.